Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Euro Yen monthly, I still think this is so extremely clear on these high time frames that this is a 1 2 and this is a wave 3. We are at the 261% Fibonacci extension, which is definitely a likely area for a wave 3 to end. And even if it does end the wave 3, you have to understand that the next move down would probably be a crescent, a wave 4, and then another push up for a wave 5. But this is the monthly time frame, so all of this is going to take a very, very long time to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, another thing you really need to understand is that the trend is definitely up on the monthly and weekly. This move has been going down for over a couple weeks now, but we do not have any breaker structure. We do not have any lower high. We really have nothing at all telling us that the trend is not still up and that it may actually bounce from a fib level and just keep on going up. The trend is not over until the market tells you the trend is over, and the market definitely has not told you the trend is over yet. Going down to the daily time frame, I'm watching the daily. I mean, I am definitely looking for sorts on sort of time frames because the daily did break down ever since way back here during the JPY intervention that they did. The most recent structure level for me is right here, so if price does go up and break that structure, that definitely will turn me into a buyer. But as of right now, because of the daily roadmap time frame, I'm definitely looking for sorts on sort of time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, the most recent structure level is right here. If price does bounce from this fib level, now that we have that double bottom, if we get a fib bounce, if we get a break of structure, I would definitely stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs. If it does not break structure, which it may definitely not, then even if it does go up, as long as it doesn't break structure, I would definitely continue to go short every chance I got, especially on the shorter time frames. So, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I'm only looking for shorts right now and I'm only looking to go short on pullbacks. If price does respect this Fibonacci level and then turn up, I will not even be looking for longs until we get a break and hold above structure. Once we get that break and hold above structure, at that point I will start looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. But as of right now, because of what the daily time frame is showing me, I am 100% looking for only shorts, and I'm only going to go short on pullbacks. So right now I'm definitely only looking for shorts. Pay attention to your structure, pay attention to price, and you should be on the right side of the market. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.